The 2018 Volkswagen Sharan is your perfect partner for family adventures, offering spaciousness and versatility for every journey. Experience the ultimate in family travel comfort today. Roof rails provide added utility and style, while front fog lights enhance visibility in challenging conditions. These features combine to deliver a practical and stylish driving experience. Step inside to find dual climate control for personalized comfort, plus a leather gear skirt that adds a touch of sophistication to your drive. Spread the cost of your car over a flexible term with our in-house expert car finance team. Call or visit Kiri's Car Store Dublin today to schedule your test drive of the 2018 Volkswagen Sharan. Speak to our team about paint and fabric protection, gap insurance and smart cover for complete peace of mind.